Get your ass to Mars. That's what you need to do. Get your ass to Mars. Come on, let's go. We're gonna win this challenge real quick. This is easy, dude. How far can you fly upside down? I win this every freaking time. I don't care. I win it because I'm awesome. Ha ha ha. He he he. These motherfuckers can't beat me. Ha ha ha. He he he. I got a jet. Let's go. I'll definitely freaking fly the longest distance with this thing. Let's go, baby. Get your ass to Mars. Get your ass to Mars. Do it. Alright, bro. For sure, dude. We got this. Alright, we need to take the long road, which is this one over here. This is the best one to take by far for upside down. So let's go to this side right here. Let's go and do a first quickie just to show them who's daddy. We daddy. That's right. We're daddy. That's right. We are daddy. Can't beat me, suckers. You won't beat me. That's for damn sure. Ain't nobody gonna beat me, dude. I'm the ultimate fly upside down master, dude. Nobody can beat me. It doesn't matter. Flying through the bushes doesn't matter. Trees doesn't matter. It's easy stuff. Easy. Easy peasy, baby. Easy money. Easy money, suckers. Easy money. Easy money. Easy money. Easy money, baby. Easy money. Easy money. Easy money, suckers. Easy money. Easy money, baby. Easy money. No. We ain't too close. Easy money. Easy money, baby. Easy money. Oh, we're good. What you mean? My ass. No, we good. What you mean? Okay. Oh, no. We need to flip around real quick, like, boom. They're gonna be like, damn, wait, who the hell is Pro Gold Miner? What? Who the hell? What? How did he get that? Damn. How the hell he do that? Damn. God damn, he killed it right there, didn't he? Damn. I'm gonna really mess him up when I do like 35,000. He'll be like, holy shit, this guy really is like on some shit. Let me do some 35,000 real quick, like here. Do a little bit of something nobody else can do here. Hey, what's up, bro? I'm upside down, bro. You see me? I know you see me. I know you see me now. I know you see me. I know you see me now. I know you. Yeah, you suckers can't get me. It don't matter. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. No problem. I kill. No problem. Somebody gonna try to be the underdog, so I got to underdog the underdog. So I got to do, I don't know, 5,000, 6,000 here. Oh, snap. Whoa. Oh, we killed ourselves. All right. Whoops. Yeah. All right. Good job. Good job, us. Good job killing yourself. Good job. All right, we got a plane here. This is a lot slower of a plane, but I think it'll be. God, are you kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me? Okay, that's fantastic. Can we get down to the plane? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, we can get down to the plane? Yeah. Yeah. We got 6 minutes and some change. That's plenty. That is freaking plenty, dude. All right, let's go upside down, yo. Let's go, Mr. Upside Down, yo. Can we go? Is it? Oh, we can go now. Okay, good. Low flying deep water will not be challenged. Yeah, I know. I know. Trust me. I know. Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? What? Bro! Okay, we fucked up. We made a boo-boo right there. We made a boo-boo. We made a boo-boo bad. Okay, that's fantastic. The challenge is still on, baby. The challenge is still on. It's still ongoing. Okay? It never stopped. We're going to go right over this, too. As soon as we get in this thing, get it going, we're just going to start it up. There's our other plane right there, bro. Like, come on. We can't do a chopper there. That'd be great if we could, but we can't do that. Okay, alright. Alright, we're not doing too bad. Okay. This is literally as far up as you gotta be. You don't have to be way up there. Like, you just gotta freaking keep it moving. Oh, it told me I went too high. Shit. Okay. Guess I went too high. Let's keep it fairly low, I guess, and just keep it moving. Alright. Just keep it moving. Trying to stay above the highway here, pretty much. Trying to stay above the highway. Yeah. This is awfully high. Okay. Okay. If we could do better than our last one, somebody might try to, like, outdo us. But I don't think they're going to try to outdo what, like, they might try to outdo it by, like, 5,000 or something. But we should be okay as long as we just keep it straight, keep it moving, and get, like, 35,000. We should be just fine. We'll just keep it moving through the city straight, right? Oh yeah, let's go through the tallest district in the city. That's a good idea. Alright, this guy is definitely trying to beat us, so we gotta beat that. We'll beat that. We'll beat it. 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 We're on the highway now. We should be able to beat this, dude. Since we're on the highway now. Just keep it moving on the highway. Alright, he's in the 30s. I told you somebody tried to beat us. Be roughly in the 1,000. He's got a jet too, which is not good for us. That's not good. Alright, he's 32,000. We got another guy's 30-something thousand. We got to get in that range. We're getting in that range. We're getting there. We're getting there, baby. We're getting there. We're in the 28s. We're in the 29s. We're in the 30s. Alright, he's getting some good numbers too still. I guess he wanted to see what we were going to be about, and we're about keeping going. So we're going to keep going. We're just going to keep eating the way we're doing and see what happens. We'll either be in first place. We don't have a jet, so that's kind of hurting us. That's hurting us quite a bit, actually. But it is what it is. We're going to keep it moving, baby. Keep going. Yeah, I see your jet. Your jet shit. And keep the jet moving thing going on. That's fine. That's fine. We're going to keep moving. I see you with your 40, 42, 3, 14. Okay, we're going to keep it moving though. We're going to get there. We'll keep it moving. You're 42, 314 that we just passed. Yeah, sucker. Oh, he's going too. He's going too. No, he ain't. He's done. He's all done. He's done. We're going to win. We're going to win. We're about to freaking win, dude. We're going to win. We're going for the win, baby. We're going for the win, baby. We like to win. We don't play that BS. We win, sucker. We got 19 more seconds. Just upside down fanatics. I always win this, man. I'm the master upside down, baby. We the masters. Let's go. Can't beat me, sucker. That's right. Yeah, that's right, baby. That's right, baby. That's how you do it. We're going to land this sucker right on the goddamn highway. That's how we do, baby. Land that sucker on the highway. You know what I'm saying? Land that sucker on the highway. All right, we got to get out of this thing. It's going to blow up. It's going to blow up, bro. Watch out. Watch out. It's going to blow up. Watch out. It's going to blow up, bro. Watch out. Vete a la chingadas. Freaking goddamn policia rolled up on me, bro. I gotta get up out of here. God dang freaking police. I know that's the policia. Oh, it's not a policia? Oh, I thought it was policia. Oh, policia! Vete a la chingada, pinche pada esa mierda. Ay, oh, la chingada. No, bro. Eat it. You bastards. Tu pinche bastardo de mierdas. Vete a la chingada. La, 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 la. ¿Cómo estás, tu pinche pedazo de mierdas? Alright, that's it. I'm done. I'm out of here. No, I'm leaving. I don't care. I'm out of here. No. I'm out of here. Leave online. I don't want to die. Exit gate. I'm out of here. Ha ha ha. Yes. Quit. Yes. Quit. Yeah. Oh, God. I thought they were going to give me for my money. All right. We're done. Bye-bye.